Hello everyone, today we are going to make some Aventurine gemstone earrings. I have some Aventurine bead chips here, sterling silver earring wires, head pins, these are 50mm. I have some round nose pliers for making the loops. I have some cutters and some chain nose pliers. And I uploaded a video yesterday showing how to make loops on head pins to enable you to make earrings. So I'll link that video above for you. Okay, so we're just going to put some gemstones on. These nugget beads are 5 to 8mm. What I like about Aventurine is the colours. They're all different. These are almost a brown colour. Very autumnal. All the supplies are available on my website, which is www.lowcostcraftsupplies.co.uk, and I'll leave a link in the description below. Let's do it like this. There's one. Okay, so there we have the two earrings, but the earring wires are too long. So we need to measure 1 centimetre for the loop. If you've got a marker pen, you can mark where you're going to cut. And then we trim. And then the same for this one. One centimetre, and then cut. So we're left with those two. And then I'm now going to make a loop with the round nose pliers. Make sure nothing's sticking up, and then we bend in. We take it out, so it's like that, and we bend again. Can you see? What we're going to do, we want it to be straight, so I'm just going to take that and then carry on looping it round like so. Let me do this one. Make sure it's sticking up. And then we turn. And again. adjusting. There, can you see? Then we are going to take jump rings. These jump rings are 5mm. Open the jump rings. Through the loop, add the earring wire, and then close. There's one. You can add the earring wire to the head pin before you bend, if you wanted to. Take the other one. Open, touch, add the earring wire, and then close. I'm just going to close it up a bit more as a gap. There we go. And there's our Aventurine earrings. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. I have lots of tutorials available and lots more planned. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.